Hello, myself Nilima Kadam, Standard 6th Maths. Dear friends, today we are going to learn some basic concepts in geometry. भूमितीतील मूलभूत संबोध. Point. A point is shown by a tiny dot. To name a point, capital alphabets are normally used. Line segment, रेषाखंड. A line segment has 2 points showing its limits. They are called endpoints. Here P and Q are the endpoints of line segment. We can write this line segment as segment PQ or seg PQ. In Marathi, we can call it as रेख PQ. रेषाखंड PQ, we can write it as रेख PQ आणि end points म्हणजेच P आणि Q हे या रेषाखंडाचे अंत्यबिंदू होत. Line, रेषा. A line consists of many points. It can be read as line PQ, where P and Q are any 2 points on this line. We use arrow at both ends of the line to show that it can be extended without any limits on both the sides. A line can be named using a small single letter also. In this figure, we can read it as line PQ or line L. Ray, kiran. A ray is a part of line. It starts at one point and it is called origin. Arambha bindu. In this figure, O is the origin of this ray. There is an arrow which shows that this arrow is infinite in the direction of A. A ray starts at one point and goes forward continuously in the same direction. किरण एका बिंदूपासून सुरुवात होऊन तो एकाच दिशेने पुढे पुढे जात राहतो. The ray should be read from its origin only. Dear students, remember it. The ray should be read from its origin. Therefore, in this figure, this ray can be read as ray OA. Ray OA. Line passing through one point. Suppose this is a point A. Let us draw a line through this point. How many such lines can we draw through this point? Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, an infinite number of lines can be drawn through one point. एकाच बिंदूतून अनेक रेषा काढता येतात. Concurrent lines, एक संपाती रेषा. This is a point A. We can draw infinite lines through this single point. So when two or more than two lines pass through the same point, they are called concurrent lines. दोन किंवा दोन पेक्षा अधिक रेषा एकाच बिंदूतून जातात तेव्हा त्या रेषांना एकसंपाती रेषा असं म्हणतात आणि त्यांच्या छेदन बिंदूला संपात बिंदू असं म्हणतात. The common point through which they pass is called their point of concurrence. Now here are some points A, B, C, D, E. Let us try to draw a line through any 2 points at a time. How many such lines can we draw through 2 points at a time? Dear friends, we can draw one and only one line through any two distinct points. कोणत्याही दोन बिंदूतून एक आणि एकच रेषा जाते. Collinear points, एकरेषीय बिंदू. Here are some points. Point A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Let us try to draw line through these points. At least 3 points on a line we can take it. At least 3 points. Dear students, when 3 or more points which lie on a single straight line, they are said to be collinear points. Here point A, D, E are 3 points on the same line. Blue line B, C, J and H, 4 points on the same line. When 3 or more than 3 points lie on a single straight line, the points are said to be collinear. 3 किंवा 3 पेक्षा जास्त बिंदू एकाच रेषेवर असतील तर त्या बिंदूंना एकरेषीय बिंदू असे म्हणतात. नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स, नैकरेषीय बिंदू. Here are some points and we are trying to draw a line through them. Now here somewhere 3 or 4 points are there on one line, but the points which are not lie on the same line are called non-collinear points. Here point A, I are said to be non-collinear. Similarly, point A, J, F, E, these points are also non-collinear points. जे बिंदू एका सरळ रेषेत नसतात त्यांना नैकरेषीय बिंदू असे म्हणतात. प्लेन, प्रतल. A flat surface is called a plane. Each flat surface is a part of an infinite surface and this is a plane. One and only one plane can be drawn through 3 non-collinear points. 3 नैकरेषीय बिंदूतून एक आणि एकच प्रतल जाते. Parallel lines, समांतर रेषा. Now here are 2 lines on a paper. The lines which lie in the same plane, these lines are in the same plane but they do not intersect each other. They are called parallel lines. Now see, this is a plane. Here are some lines. There are arrows at the both ends. If we extend these lines, they never intersect each other. So the lines which lie in the same plane, they are in the same plane but they are not intersecting each other. Therefore they are called parallel lines. एकाच प्रतलात असणाऱ्या पण एकमेकींना न छेदणाऱ्या रेषांना समांतर रेषा असे म्हणतात. These are the examples of parallel lines. Intersecting lines, छेदणाऱ्या रेषा. Now line P and line R, these are called intersecting lines. And P is called the point of intersection. If you like this video, please subscribe it. Thank you.